So now that we know how to save data from the database to an XML, let's see how we read data from that XML or that Poco back into our database. So we'll start with choosing the orders we want to look at. We want to look at order 10249, and here we can see with our demo write XML, we're actually saving it to XML. So let's start by saving the existing one to XML and opening our XML file, ctemp order XML, or actually ctemp orders XML is the one we used. Perfect. So we see 10249 with its details. Let's close the order because we don't need it. Now let's read this file and update our database based on this file. So if we go to our demo, we'll call the demo read XML. And the demo read XML so far was very simple. We read the XML and have it in the member O. Let's run it and have a look. We can see that the order Poco has the values that we want to look at. Now let's update the database based on these values. So we're going to go and grab the table we want to use. We're going to go to the Northwind base project, models, orders, drag it into our code using the control key. So we got var orders. And then we're going to say orders dot insert if not found, where orders order ID is bound to o.order_id, which means the order ID from the object that we've just written. And then we're going to give it the action we want it to perform for the inserted row. So we're going to say here orders.customer_ID.value is equal to o.customer_ID. And we're going to say orders.ship via .value is equal to o.shipper. Perfect. Let's see this in action. So we run this. It gets here. It performed the job. Great. We're happy with it. Let's take away the breakpoint. And we can have a look at the order. But since we updated it to its same values, it doesn't really mean anything. Let's go change the customer ID. Instead of using Alfred footer whatever, which is code ALFKI, let's change this to TORTU and run the read again, and we'll be able to see that our order has changed the customer. So it was reading this file from the XML and putting it here. Great. Now let's go ahead and get the products. So just like before, when we got the orders, we're going to go and get the order detail table. And we'll start by deleting the existing details because we expect our XML file to have all the order information. So we're going to say order details.order_id is equal to o.order_id. Okay, so we've deleted all the pre-existing products in the order detail. And then for each item in the O details, we'll get the product ID, quantity, and unit price. So all we need to do is say order details.insert and say order details.order ID is equal to O order ID, order details.product is equal to item product, order details.quantity is equal to item.quantity, and order details.unit price is equal to item.unit price. It's that simple. Great. Let's save it, build it, runs, and let's test it. Put our screen here at half, and we're going to read, and our order is okay. Perfect. Now let's go and add another product. Order the product 3 with quantity of 4 and unit price of 45.4. Let's do an read, and we can see that the data has been loaded from the database, from the XML to our database. That's it.